Hello all, Trish here from Marekitty Bracelets, and today I'd like to show you how to make this barnacle knot. And yeah, let's get started. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is tie your knots. Make sure you have one string that's longer than the other side. Maybe about 6 inches, maybe a foot, and one that is just slightly longer, a couple inches, 3-4 inches. So then you can see what we're gonna do next. And then you just do like 16 forward backwards knots. You can do all forwards or all backwards knots. It's up to you. But I don't really like the Chinese staircase look. Okay. And when you finish doing that 16 or so forward backward knot, you just want to take it and put it under here like so, and then push these close together so that they're nice and tight, and then take your longer strings on both sides, which is why we needed the one string that was longer, and then do a series of 6 square knots. Okay, and when you finish off your square knots like this, you'll notice that maybe there's like a little bit of little background strings there, and then you take one of your fingernails and then you just push up and pull down on these strings. Don't pull down on these ones, the ones that you used to make the knots with. Don't pull down on those ones, just the ones in the middle, and then just pull tightly. And there you have your finished square or barnacle knot. Thank you for watching. Hopefully you enjoy and have a good day.